Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is when I decide to release this video. Fun stuff happening today. Some bad good news. I did sell the 300 TT. So I don't think I've ever showed you guys the Datsun truck. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to the junkyard to get a motor for the Datsun truck. I love this truck. It's pretty sweet. It's an 86 Datsun 720. I looked a lot at the 4.8, 5.3 liter truck motors. I looked at LSs. Obviously, these are all variations of LSs. We're going to be getting some variation of an LS. The junkyard we're going to has hopefully a couple LQ9s. Why I chose an LQ9, I don't know. It's a 6.0 liter variation of the LS. You guys know the saying, there's no replacement for displacement, so we're just going to go with the biggest one we can find. So 6.0 stock, it puts out 345 horsepower, which isn't too bad. Again, I'm still trying to decide what I want to do with it. I don't want to get too crazy right off the bat, but I do want to turbocharge it. So we might go with like a T70 turbocharger, maybe run around 10 pounds or so. And hopefully we'll get a good 500-600 horsepower out of it. We're off to the junkyard. We'll see what happens when we get there and see if we can find a good candidate. All right, guys, so here's our first candidate. This is a LQ9 out of a, 2003 Cadillac. Doesn't look too bad. Well, this one's been stripped. Doesn't look too bad, a little sludged up, but relatively clean for, I think this is a 2002 Escalade. All right, guys, so it's the next day. We are at a different junkyard. They have three choices here. They have a Silverado and they have two Escalades. So we're going to take a look at those and see if they're any better than the ones at the junkyard yesterday. Well, somebody beat us to this one. This is another Escalade. This is a 6.0 LQ9, but it's a lot more sludged up than the other one. All right, so this is our first choice here. This is the Silverado. This is actually an LQ4, so it's a 5.7 liter, but it's the same thing as the 6.0. It just has dished pistons instead of flat top pistons to give it a little bit lower compression. This one would actually, the lower compression would actually be better for the boost, and also this one is drive-by-wire, so that solves quite a bit of our issues right off the bat. Yeah, and this one actually doesn't look too bad. Kind of looks better than the ones that we were at the other day, so if this one spins freely, then this might be a good choice. Alright guys, I hope you liked that montage of me ripping that motor out. What we got to do now is we got to put the engine stand together, because I just bought one, or the engine hoist. Hopefully get the motor out of my truck and put it on a stand. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the pull from the junkyard, just showing you can do it by yourself. Literally the only thing that I needed help with was somebody to help me pull the gantry crane over, because it's actually really hard to roll by yourself. But as far as the pull, pulled it all myself, got it all set up, ready to go. The motor I ended up getting is actually a 4.8 or 5.3, but I don't really care. This probably won't be the block that gets us to 1,000 horsepower. I'm hoping that this one will get us to 500-600 horsepower. We can get some drag practice with the automatic transmission, and in the meantime find another 6.0 to get rebuilt with ported heads and blah 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 blah. Stay tuned as the quest for 1,000 horsepower begins. And if you like the channel, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you like the Datsun truck, which honestly I don't even know if you've ever seen before, so we'll get to that eventually, but it's a 1986 Datsun 720. I really like it. I'll throw a picture in like right here. And then so yeah, if you like the channel, if you like the Datsun truck, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.